Hello friends, welcome to the channel Virtual Learners. Today we will discuss a topic in modern Indian history, that is Indian National Congress. As modern history finds place in questions, it is very important topic and we will discuss the major facts of Indian National Congress today. First one is founder of Indian National Congress. Founder of Indian National Congress, that is A.O. Hume. Who founded Indian National Congress? That is A.O. Hume. In which year the Indian National Congress was founded? That is in 1885. The Congress was founded in 1885. First President of Indian National Congress, that is W.C. Banerjee. First President of Indian National Congress was W.C. Banerjee. First foreign president was George Yule. That was in 1888. So the first foreign president was George Yule, that was in 1888. Fifth one is first woman to address in an INC session was Kadambini Ganguly. First South Indian to be the president of Indian National Congress was Anand Charlu. National anthem was sung for the first time in 1911 Calcutta session. Vande Mataram was first sung in which session? That is 1896 Calcutta session. Now let's record. Founder of Indian National Congress is A.O. Hume. It was founded in 1885. First president of Indian National Congress was W.C. Banerjee. First foreign president was George Yule. That was in 1888. First woman to address the Indian National Congress session was Kadambini Ganguly. First South Indian president was Anand Charlu. National anthem was sung for the first time in 1911 Calcutta session. Vande Mataram was sung in 1896 session. The first phase leaders was called as moderates. Radical wing of Indian National Congress was called as extremists. First session that Gandhi attended was 1901 Calcutta session. The Surat split, that is the Splitting of moderates and extremists, that is the division of moderates and extremists, is called as Surat split. That took place in 1907. Who was the president at the time of Surat split? Rash Bihari Ghosh. So the president at the time of Surat split was Rash Bihari Ghosh. The reunion of moderates and extremists. The session was Lucknow session 1916. It is also called as Lucknow Pact. Who was the president? Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? That was Annie Besant. It was in 1917. So who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Woman president of Indian National Congress, that is Annie Besant. Second woman president. Second woman president of Indian National Congress was Sarojini Naidu. The first Indian woman president was Sarojini Naidu. First woman president was Annie Besant. So, when did Gandhi become the president of Indian National Congress? That was in 1924 Belgaum session. The non-cooperation movement resolution to start the non-cooperation movement was ratified in 1920 Nagpur session. Boycott of Simon Commission. The resolution for boycott of Simon Commission was in 1927 Madras session. President during Madras session, M.A. Ansari. He was the president when the resolution of boycott of Simon Commission was passed in 1927 in Madras. Very important, Purna Swaraj. Resolution for Purna Swaraj was in 1929 Lahore session. The Purna Swaraj resolution was in 1929 Lahore session of Indian National Congress. The president of Lahore session was Jawaharlal Nehru. It is very important. Purna Swaraj Declaration 1929 Lahore session. President of Lahore session Jawaharlal Nehru. Now let's recollect. First woman president was Annie Besant 1917. Second woman president was Sarojini Naidu 1925. First Indian woman president was Sarojini Naidu 1925. Gandhi as president in Indian National Congress session Belgaum in 1924. Non-cooperation movement resolution was ratified in 1920 Nagpur session. Boycott of Simon Commission 1927 Madras session. President during Madras session was M.A. Ansari. Purna Swaraj resolution 1929 Lahore session. President of Lahore session was Jawaharlal Nehru. The resolution on fundamental rights was passed in 1931 Karachi session. Who was the president of Karachi session? That is Sardar Patel. The resolution of fundamental rights was passed in 1931 Karachi session. The president of Karachi session was Sardar Patel. Who was the president at the time of Quit India movement? That was Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Who was the longest president of Indian National Congress before independence? That is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Who was the president of Indian National Congress at the time of independence? That is J.B. Kripalani. So now let's recollect. Resolution of Fundamental Rights was passed in 1931 Karachi session. President of Karachi session was Sardar Patel. President at Quit India movement was Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Longest serving president before independence was Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. President during Indian independence was J.B. Kripalani. The Indian National Congress, which proposed a socialistic pattern of society, that is in Avadi session 1955. The first woman president after Indian independence of Indian National Congress was Indira Gandhi. Subhash Chandra Bose became the president of Indian National Congress at the session of 1938 Haripura. So let's recall. Indian National Congress session proposing socialistic pattern of society, that is in Avadi session 1955. First woman president after Indian independence was Indira Gandhi. Subhash Chandra Bose became the president in 1938 Haripura session. Hi friends, I hope you enjoyed the session. Please subscribe for more videos.